Kiki, do you love me? Oh, you're doing it?
Yeah. You can't cheat, my guy.
No, don't put the whole thing. Let me record this. These bitches left me alone here. So, this is my tape. Welcome to your tape, Carly.
Ready?
Oh, don't eat too fast, because we're not trying to get ulcers here. Good go.
Is this you? Oh, I missed it.
You have to make that noise.
Come on, I got it warmed up for you. Whoa, oh my god, it's computer time.
Oh my god.
Surprise, Carla.
And Carla, enjoy the fucking noodles. It's like eating
Dude, look
ass
at
sound
almost
over here.
done.
Yeah. Hey, did you serve yourself more? I mean, less and less. Bitch. I do sound the first bite.
Sounds like
It's because she's always eating spicy assholes.
I know, dude. It's like sex out here.
You said no.
I wonder how
I'm already
that...
tearing up a bit.
Okay, this is it. This is not bad.
It's not even a competition anymore. Honestly, it's like Carla eating it first.
Like, I'm just enjoying them.
Like,
She's still going at it. You know, we gave up like 5 seconds ago.
Just give me your hand, dude.
Why am I struggling so hard?
Here, I got this.
Because I don't think I said it. You tried it with them.
Oh wait, it's actually slippery.
Mm-hmm.
I don't care, I'll stab it. Take it.
This gets more spicy as I breathe.
That sounds horrible.
Oh, do you guys remember that Saw today? Like the one that came out in movie theaters?
No, we already saw that. Jigsaw, you mean?
Yeah.
We already saw that.
When?
We literally went to the movie theaters.
Yeah, but do you guys want to
Come on,
watch
Carla, you
it?
can do it.
We haven't seen it in a while.
Yeah, Carla, you can actually be in a competition like this.
Dude, you
It's
finished?
so hot.
Fucking 2018, guys. It's a day. It's a it. Them.
I'm gonna drink some water.
Theirs. Them and theirs. Bitch. Oh my god. Yeah?
So what's the whole video about? Like, what happens after here? Me and Colette can't finish it after an hour. Oh my god.
Isn't there ramen noodles?
Wait, no.
But the ramen ones taste different.
I'm this one. No, you're gonna cover me. I'm this one. No, you're gonna cover me. I'm first.
Oh, good.
Look at you. Fucking dumb. I'm done.
I promise I got the same as you guys.
Nah. This bitch took like 3 minutes. Oh my god.
Literally, like...
Oh, I said it like 5 minutes.
I think she
Yeah,
did.
that took me 2 minutes to do.
Okay.
I need ice, but I need one.
Yeah, you have a trucker hat. You're good. That's a trucker hat.
Okay, I'm actually dying.
Damn. If we were held hostage, Colette, we would be killed. They told us to eat this, and that's how we survived.
Oh god. I'll finish it.
We're like, eat in 2 minutes. And then over here, Carla finishes it like, she's like, with joy. With pleasure. She's like, try me 1 minute. She's like, I do this for a living. Like, jeez.
Dude, I can't handle that much spice. Look at me drinking my milk.
I don't know. I don't feel like finishing this anymore, but I'm gonna do it.
yeah, shut up. Oh, I see it. He's by the bar.
Just a...
Like, my lips burn.
Where are we headed? Nice. Who knows? He's building right there, you see?
It's gonna be like Carla trying to
my
get
eyes.
in the camera for 2 minutes straight.
Look at my eyes. Put in. They clean your fingers. Put in. He messaged you. He said.
Ooh, a
"Don't be a
pudding.
He said that
He's
he
just
can
stop
finish
being a
it.
hoe.
You know, he said he can finish it under a minute. He's watching.
That's what Doug said.
Yeah,
Doug said he could finish it under a minute. He texted me.
Bet.
Bet.
You a pupper me?
That's good.
Oh my god, I forgot I have pepino.
He said what
I'm
you
trying to
did.
get ice, but
He said what you did was no challenge. He said I could finish that shit in 60
I
seconds.
volunteered on that Stop it.
The way Carla did it.
I know. This is cucumber right there.
stop.
Don't give me chopsticks, you dumbass.
Dude, I can't
You're
do
getting
it.
ice with chopsticks?
It has spicy on it. Spicy sauce.
Then wash your hands, cochina.
I did. It's not coming out.
Oh. She's getting ice with chopsticks.
I'm dying. I really want some ice. Oh, I have an idea. Oh shit, never mind. Right here. I was gonna throw the water in there so I could fucking use it, dude.
Oh, we're gonna break it off here. The winner was not Carla. As you can see, she just.
You guys really quit?
Yeah, dude. This is. Dude, I barely.
I will literally eat your portion.
No, I want to eat it.
Eat your
I did. I
One.
fucking swallowed that shit.
Dude, you didn't. I don't know how that was like vacuum. You're like, that's it. Get my
Okay, we
second-
love a non-quitter. Look at that. Almost
One
done.
more.
Girl, you have the whole thing, and Adrian's helping you.
Spicy plus chocolate equal churro.
Lucky.
What is that? Oh, I don't like.
Creams on roti. You want to get to? You can do it the other side, right?